Yeah, buddy, it's coming together. Check it out. Check it out. This is the new bag. Got the outside mesh pocket, and check it out. I'm not put these on yet, but yep. Shoulder straps. 1, 2. Whoops. And then, oh yeah, we're going the little thing to hook on the backpack, so you can hook it on the top. I need to put another little tabs right there. But can you hold that? Oh, thanks. Thanks, Jane. And I got the Velcro on there, so it's all nice and like pretty cherry. You can see the DuPont on the inside. And it's a pretty shitty sewing job, but hey, you know, there it is. Oh, and don't forget, lastly, the Bob Dylan patch, which is gonna go, I think it's gonna go like right there. Or, you know, I was thinking maybe on the shoulder would be kind of cool.
Yeah.
Would be kind of neat.
We're going to wait till the end to decide. Future
Decision making will happen. Tune in again next week to Tales of Backpacking on the Duwamish.